Hari Om and Namaste to all the viewers. It's my pleasure to welcome you back all on this national webinar series Yoga Ramayana Vishwakosha History Proving Authenticity and History of Ramayana. I'm very delighted to announce that Dr. Ramachandraji Bhatt is with us in the session today detailing about the intricacies of Sundara Kanda with his beautiful stories.
भूमिसुता वामे वामे भूमिसुता पुरस्तु हनुमान् पश्चात् सुमित्रासुतः सुग्रीवो भरतश्च पार्श्वदलयोः वायुवादिकोणेषु च सुग्रीवश्च विभीषणश्च हनुमान् तारासुतो जाम्बवान् मध्ये नीलसरोजकोमलरुचिं रामं भजे श्यामलं रामं भजे श्यामलम्. So, today's satsang, we are offering our pranam to Sri Ramachandra, accompanied with Vame Bhumisutta, left side Sita, Purastu Hanuman, front side it is Hanuman. लंकासुतो जाम्बवान् पश्चात् सुमित्रासुतः लक्ष्मणः शत्रुघ्नो भरतश्च पार्श्वदलयोः on both sides वायुवादिकोणेषु च सुग्रीवश्च विभीषणश्च युवराट् तारासुतः अंगदः जाम्बवान्. All these his companions, they are all dharma pravartakas. They are there to protect sanatana maulyam, sanatana dharma, bharatiya jnana parampara. So in the midst of all these great spiritually inclined great sadhakas, Karyakartas, they are. Ramam bhaje, madhye neela saroja komala ruchim. In between, in the midst of all these great, wholehearted, pure-hearted personalities of that time, neela saroja, blue cloud, komala ruchim, that type of shining of blue clouds in the sky. That type of Sri Rama is sitting in the midst of all these. Tam bhaje. I offer my pranamas to that Rama. As I told repeatedly, Sundarakanda is a guidebook, workbook for psychosynthesis. Yavat Chandra Divakaro, as long as the sun and the moon will be shining. Yavat Thasyanti Giraya, Saritascha Mahitale, as long as all those mountain ranges, the Himalayas and other holy Parvatas, Punya Nadis, Punya Tirtha, all these will be there. And all Punya Nadi like Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati flowing. Tavat Ramayana Katha. Until that also Ramayana story will be there. Lokeshu Pracharishyati. So with this understanding, we have to go for study of all these kandas, Balyakanda, Ayodhya Kanda, Aranya Kanda, Kishkindha Kanda and Sundara Kanda now. Hanuman is on his saga, adventure of crossing that Shatayojana Vistirnam Samudram Makaralayam. Ananda Sandoha. In the midst of this much tension, this much activities, challenges in every step, but the same smile. But now he is in depression. Why? He went on visiting all those luxurious prasadas, palaces. There he रूपेण अप्रतिमा लोके वरा विद्याधर स्त्रियः दृष्टाः हनुमता तत्र न तु राघवनन्दिनी. That is how Valmiki puts it. There were all those, the best specimen of great beautiful Vidyadhara Stris, Apsara and all. He went on visiting those palaces, but he could not see Raghavanandini, Sita Mata, not found. Varastriyaha, Nagakanyaha, all these beautiful descriptions of that Bhoganagari of Ravana. But Janakasya Suta Sita, Ramapatni, Katham Ravanasya Vasham Gata, Vidyamane Doshasyaat, Anivedane Kathannu Kartavyam Vishamam Pratibhati me. Now the real fact I have to tell Rama. Nowhere I am finding her. Mamedam Langhanam Vyartham Sagarasya Bhavishyati. That is the main reason for Hanuman, for his sorrow. All the way I crossed that ocean full of crises. I could win over many evil forces. I accomplished that saga of crossing that ocean and killed many demons. But now the main purpose of my adventure, my saga, it is not fulfilled. Nowhere I could find Sita Mata. That is how he is in very deep sense of agony. Bhayanaka dukhe piditaha, shokha karishitaha. What happened if again I go back empty-handed? Panchatvancha gate rajni tarapina bhavishyati. Like that he might have killed her. If that is the fact, then how to report to Rama? How to report it to this fact, this news to Sugriva? After having heard this varta, this horrible news, what may happen? So for me only thing left, that is only I must commit suicide. With this much empty hand, with this sorrow face, I cannot go back. I cannot go back. That is how he was feeling. So what happened? Silently sitting, he is in deep sense of dilemma. What to be done, what not to be done? To be or not to be, that is the question. That is his challenge now. So, sitting calmly, now he is again Yoga Shakti coming out to help. Anima, Mahima, Garima, Lakhima, Prapti, Prakamya. All these powers he used just to accomplish that saga, that work entrusted to him. Already he reached Lanka and traveled everywhere, searched for Sita Mata, visited every nook and corner of that Bhoganagari, Lanka, but Sita was not found. Mamedam Lankhanam Vyartham Sagarasya Bhavishyati. That is how he is weeping. Hanuman weeping. So silently sitting. And that power now started emerging in his inner personality. What is that power? Ishitvam Vashitvam. That is seventh and eighth power, yogic power of Hanuman. Now these two yogic powers came forward to help him. That is how we must go inside and search our own mind. All that analysis we have to do. What is my strength? What is my weakness? What is my challenge? Akinchanasya dantasya shantasya samacetasaha sada santushta manasaha sarvaha sukhamayaha disha. That is what Vyasa Maharshi says. When just that inner personality positively charged, it was brought out from the innermost layers of the mind, Vashitvam, Ishitvam, self-control and mastery over his own emotions. These two yogic powers, seventh and eighth yogic powers, invoked Hanuman. And immediately, what I am? Why should I become so weak? How can I go for committing suicide? This I cannot think. Am I so weak? I take this as challenge. That phase of his personality now emerging and emerging and emerging. That temporary weakness, that syndrome of suicide, it disappeared, vanished from his mental layers. Now the real Hanuman, that Hanuman, Ramabhakta Hanuman, that Hanuman, Buddhir Balam Yasho Dhairyam Nirbhayatvam Arogata Ajadyam Vakpatutvancha Hanumat Smaranat. That Hanuman emerging. Buddhi, the most creative brain. Balam, physical strength. Yashaha, untainted, purest form of name and fame. Dhairyam, that yogic balance of mind, equilibrium. Arog, free from all physical and psychic diseases, that type of personality. Swastha shariram, swastham manah. Ajadyam, ever active, always proactive, ever dynamic. Vakpatatam, same type of that Samskrita Bhasha, Niragala Vangmaya Dhara. Nandrigveda Viditasthina Ayurveda Dharina Hanasama Veda Vidushaha Shakyamivam Prabhashitum Nunam Vyakaranam Krishnam Anena Bahudhashritam Bahuvyaharatane Nakinchita Pashabditam. That type of Hanuman, whom Rama has described with these shlokas in Kishkinda Kanda while moving on the bank of Kumpa Sarovar. That Hanuman again coming out of that clutches, psychic clutches. So, Vakpatuh and strong psychologically, mentally. Very confident Hanuman again merging out. So he tells now, Vinashe Bahavo Doshaha Jivan Bhadrani Pashyati. This is the real utterance of Hanuman. Why should I go for committing suicide? I still remain alive until this saga is accomplished, this mission given to me is accomplished. I never escape. Nadainyam na palayanam. I don't go from this warfield. I have to face. Ataha, this word is the real royal clarion call to our young people of Bharat now. When we are surrounded by all these Ravanas, Kumbhakarnas, Shumbhanishubhas, all Raktabijasuras from Pakistan, now this is the real role model we want, Hanuman's role model, because Vinashe Bhavo Doshaha Jivan Bhadrani Pashyati. That is the real power. That power invoked. So that Hanuman merged again. So that Hanuman is before us now again. Jivan Bhadrani Pashyati. Jivan Bhadrani Pashyati. Vinashe Bhavo Doshaha Jivan Bhadrani Pashyati. This is very important topic today. And another very important thing from psychological angle, that also to be understood by all of us. When he invoked all these feelings, another complex started troubling his mind. Because he was so highly disciplined yogi, he never made any compromise. Whenever that question of celibacy comes, whenever his approach towards woman folk is concerned, whenever he was dealing with female world, he got that very deep sense of reverence to the whole Nari Loka. That is why he could maintain that purity of inner character, undisturbed discipline. Even in a small fraction of second, his mind became victim to any frailty or fickleness. As far as desires, instincts, urges, brutal urges of man are concerned, all three doshas, Kamayesha, Krodhayesha, Rajoguna Samudbhava. Bhagavan Krishna says, Trividham Narakasyedan Dwaram Avratam Tri, Kama Krodhas Tatha Lobha. He never became victim to all these three in his life so far. But now he is in Bhoganagari. Every moment that is a testing time for him. He visited all those palaces, that too in the night, where all those Lokottara Sundaris are taking rest in the palace. He was traveling and searching every Nari there, laying down, relaxing in the palace. Ishi Sita, Ishi Sita, Ishi Sita, Ishi Sita Mata. So searching for Sita Mata, but only those beautiful angel type Apsaras, Vidyadharas, all those they are there in his palace. That is how he developed that Bhoga Nagari and palace of Lanka Nagara, Ravana's palace. Great Vedic scholar, great Vakyarthapatu, great Tarkavadi, great Samagana Priya. He was worshipping Shiva, offering his all 10 heads, and most expert in Jata Katak, ಸಂಭ್ರಮಭ್ರಮನ್ನಿಲಿಂಫ ನಿರ್ಝರಿ ವಿಲೋಲ ಬೀಚಿ ವಲ್ಲರಿ ವಿರಾಜಮಾನ ಮೂರ್ಧನಿ ಧಗದ್ ಪಟ್ಟ ಪಾವಕೆ. Oh, great poet, great scholar, what not. All great Sanskrit poets are there in his personality. All Bhasa Kalidasa, Bana, Dandi, they are all in his personality. All great Samamedis, Jata, all Ashta, Vikriti, Panditas. What Ashta Vikritis? Jatapatha, Ghanapatha, Dandapatha, all pathas. He was so great master of that type of man. Great emperor of Lanka, but is in his personal life so hopeless, so fickle, so frail, so trivial, so much weak in Bhogaloka. That type of person, Ramana, Lokamata, Sita Mata kidnapped by him. What type of sin he committed? But she is nowhere now, not found. Another problem is now he is searching his own mental waves, inner waves, psychological inner waves. Hanuman, he is now testing. Anywhere in minutest corner of my mind, is there any bhoga, touch of bhoga, any tinge of kama krodha? Am I a victim to all? Is there any lapse in my brahmacharya, my celibacy? That is what he started searching and searching. Introspection started. This is very, very important part, psychologically speaking now. When all these so-called novelists, poets, all jnana pithis, only exaggerating this part, weakest instinct part of human brain. If you just study some novels, Parva, and all those the novels in Kannada, and so many poetries composed by many great poets, they are so popular, highly honored. But what they write? Only weak point they highlight. The fall, the plague, that is their main mantra for their novels, poetries, all. Getting greatest Saraswat award. Oh, what is this? No, it is not at all good. Because we have to highlight this Shama, Dama, Astikyam, Tapaha, Shaucham, Kshanti, Arjavam. That is Brahma Kalpa. That is to be highlighted through many novels, poetries. Dharmastha kama mokshanam vaichakshanyam kalasu cha karoti kirtim pritim cha sadhu kavya nishevanam. That is what Bhavaha so told. Sadhu kavya means it must be plugged to dharma, artha, kama, moksha. Artha kama is not sidelined. Artha kama is necessary for. That is the driving force for conducting all worldly affairs. But it must be guided by dharma and moksha. That is the discipline followed by our great rishis like Vasishtha, Vamadeva, even Vishwamitra. But what to say now? Undue importance to all these exaggerations, and all these so great poets guided by all Sigmund Freud and Oscar Wilde, all these psychologists, they formulated many nonsense theories after having studied all lunatic minds, abnormal minds, ill-will-minded people, and they have written many novels. Some Kafka, some Camus, some Sartre, all these novelists. Are they novels, poetries? Exaggerating them, you are making a copy of all those novels and sharing, distributing like hot cakes. No, This is Adikavya. It is the greatest model for Bharatiya Vangmaya, Bharatiya Kavya Mimamsa. It is the guideline for that. Clearly, I have to share this. So, Vinashe Bhavo Dosha. Psychoanalysis going on. Hanuman sitting calmly, just searching anywhere, any touch, any tinge of negativity, any negative instincts. And just now sitting in the posture, yogic posture, that is the real call, historical call, highly inspiring mantra to the young generation of Bharatiyas. Otherwise, we cannot become Vishwaguru. If Hanuman model is followed by our young scholars, our Pathshala Chhatras, Gurukula Chhatras, college Chhatras, university Chhatras, then only we can go for Vishwagurutva and we can start afresh and start new age, Navayuga, Navasuryodaya. What is the statement? Tachame suvyavasthitam. See that beauty of language used by Valmiki. Tachame suvyavasthitam. My mind I am searching. Every inner laying I am examining. My inner layers of mind I am examining and washing and searching. Nowhere that negative touch, negative tinge of kama, krodha, lobha found. Tachame suvyavasthitam. My mind is pure. No. Now already I came out of the prasada. Now only Sita Mata picture is there. Only Rama is there in my heart. So Sita Mata, Ramaya, Ramabhadraya, Ramachandraya, Raghunathaya, Nathaya, Sitaya. The same Ramachandra, he is in front of my eyes. Roma, my Ram. That is what I am, Hanuman, the same Hanuman. That is why with the same mission again I start afresh. That is how he reaffirms. It is called reaffirmation of determination in English. Beautiful word. Reaffirmation to the commitment. Affirmation. Reaffirmation of commitment. Nishchayasya punardridhikaranam. स्वीकृत कार्यस्य विषये निष्ठायाः पुनर्दृढीकरणम. That is what happened now. See, this is the real personality, model, real model. What is this going on? Now for our boys, only some cricket players, some most selfish people, they have no any social awareness, nor they have any responsibility for dharma, samaja, swasthya. People are suffering, but some people are merrymaking. When lockdown released and unlocking started, most of the young boys and girls rushing to where? MG Road, Brigade Road. What is this? But in the midst of it, there are many good young people. In their धमनी में ऋषियों का ही रक्त बहती धारा. The same Rishi blood, it is there. You scratch a young man. That is what great Swamiji Ranganathanandaji Maharaj, President of Ramakrishna Mission, told, addressing young people of youth convention in the 80s and 90s. Again, our great masters, yoga masters, they must give this type of inspiration to our young people. Always talking about roga and bhoga, unnecessarily spending our time in all gadgets and becoming victim to kama krodha. Those days are gone. Now again we must invoke that power. So the same Nachiketa one who also tested by Yamuna Dharma. Imaha, Ramaha, Sarathaha, Saturyaha. But don't ask these questions. Don't ask questions about reincarnation. Don't ask questions about Dharma. Don't ask about Bhagavan. Don't ask about Atmanatma Viveka. Don't ask about Vairagya. Now you are very young man. Go. And I give you all luxurious cars, rathas, all luxurious things, bhoga bhagya I give to you. Young man, Nachiketa, go back and enjoy. How many attractions? That too coming from Yamadharma, Dharmaraja. And he can do all these things. If Nachiketa would have been like that, in a fraction of a second he got all the best vehicles, the best cars with so much high horse force, and all luxurious palaces, all bhogabhagya he would have got. But he told, Tavaiva vahaha tava gobhirastu. It is from Kathopanishad. What you are talking? Yamadharmaraja, you are giving all attraction to me and describing so colorfully all this glory, bhogabhagya. No. Yamadharmaraja, you keep all these things. You find out someone to utilize all these luxuries and wealth, everything you have in your palace, you give to them. I want only Agni Vidya. I want किम येयम प्रेते विचिकित्सा मनुष्य अस्ति चेकेत अयम अस्ति. I want this Lokottara Yatra. I want transdisciplinary things, not something multidisciplinary, mixing and doing some Karasana, Chitrana. No. My interest, it is consciousness. Anyatra dharmad, anyatra dharmad, anyatra asma krita krita, anyatra bhutaccha bhavyaccha tadvada. Beyond mind, beyond this world, beyond everything, that's something perennial truth, Shashvata Satya, I wanted to know from you, please tell me. That is the reconfirmation of commitment that we can see in that young man Nachiketa. See now here in this young, great sadhaka Hanuman, we want this type of young people for this country. That is why this is Sundara Kanda. We want that type of Sundara young brand of Karyakartas, committed people for upliftment of this nation. If some leaders, some parties come and go, leaders come and go, but we want spiritual masters to guide this wonderful society. It is not some Drupta Kshatra, egoistic rulers. They cannot do anything. All those Prithvirajas, Ghajanis, all those, how many kings they came. That is what their Mandhata told. Mandhata cha mahipati kritayuka alankara bhuto hataha. Mandhata was great emperor. He also hataha. What is this? That is why this royal Kshatra, Drupta Kshatra, it cannot change society. They can just implement some policy if they have that positive idea. But society must be guided by spiritual masters, yoga people, yaga people. That strength must be ignited now. That is high time. For that, Hanuman is the real role model for us. With this positive note, let us conclude. Yavat sthasyanti girayas saritascha mahitale तावद् रामायण कथा लोकेषु प्रचरिष्यति लोकेषु प्रचरिष्यति लोकेषु प्रचलिष्यति. Om Swasti.
Thank you, Acharya ji, for enumerating with your beautiful stories on Sundarakanda. We'll come back again tomorrow with another topic. Namaste.